Hi everyone, look at this mess. This actually is, I tried to organize it so many times, but it's like I just couldn't. I hate looking down at this, and I have so many areas. So for example, look here, same. So what I got is something very unique. I got something to organize and make this mess more beautiful and also safer. It's gonna be safe storing the cable inside one box. So I got these two boxes here. As you can see here, look. These boxes are coming from a brand called DMoose or DMoose, I think. And what I like about them is you can store the cables, the whatever it is inside electrical units inside here, and then cover it this way, and you will have a very unique storing box for the cable. So let's do it together here, and then we'll put you store whatever you want to store this way, and then you cover it like that, and now you have a little bit more organized. So there is another thing. So because I have this box, I can just remove this one, all of it, and put just only one big chunk here, and this one is gonna be running out of like one cable from here to here, and then all other cables are coming off this way, which is gonna be the next project that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this one and buy another one, which is going to make it more organized, and safer for whatever it is. So far, I really like the idea, and I like the design of it. It's so, I have 3.5 years old daughter, and when I'm working on the desk itself, she comes and she plays around me, and sometimes she gets underneath the desk. So I don't want her to be tangled in a cable, or maybe there's some hazards here or something like that. And I would like to keep everything inside a box, just to make sure that it looks nice and also safer for me and my daughter, etc. Okay, so far I like the design. It comes in this big box here, so this is the big one, and also there is another one here. I can use it in the living room. So these are two boxes, and yeah, I like it a lot. Also, the package comes with a cable management tools. For example, this is the Velcro straps. These are 4 that you can use it to tighten the cables, and it comes with this one here as a cable management. You can stick, this is adhesive here, you can stick it on the desk or whatever, and then organize the cables this way. There is a small one right here, and another small one here, and these two cutie that you can hook the chargers or the cords for the chargers like that. 3 holes, and it comes in 2 pieces. So yeah, the whole package is awesome.